The Grand Mahakumbh 2025 began with overwhelming devotion, faith, and unity among crores of devotees who have been coming here from all over India, pan India, and also from all over the world. We have few people with us. Let me ask from where they are. कहाँ से हैं आप लोग?
हम कोलकाता नवद्वीप धाम से आए हैं।
ये आप ये गदा और ये त्रिशूल लेकर आए हैं?
हाँ,
क्या है मकसद इसके पीछे?
इसके पीछे मकसद है जो हम लोगों का हिंदू धर्म सनातन धर्म का जो चिन्ह है, जो भोलेनाथ का जो ये त्रिशूल है, उसी की वजह
गदा है तो हमारा चैतन्य महाप्रभु का धाम है। तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु का वार्ता है संगो शक्ति कलो जुगे, एक संस्कृति वर्ड है। तो उसमें हम संघबद्ध को ये सनातनी वार्ता हम देना चाहते हैं। और इसमें हम आप देखना जो भी गेट है एक गेट में एक सिंबल है, हमारा प्रतीक है जो भारत की सनातनी का संस्कृति को वहन करता है। उसी में एक है गदा, एक है त्रिशूल। तो जो बजरंगबली का हम भक्त है और प्रभु शिव जी के हम भक्त हैं, तो महाकुंभ में आए हैं। तो ये वार्ता चैतन्य महाप्रभु का हम देना चाहते हैं कि हम संघबद्ध होते हैं तो हम आगे जा सकते हैं। और भारतवर्ष सनातनी संस्कृति की पीठ है, भूमि है। और इसमें हमारा बंगाल में अभी जो अराजकता चल रहा है उसके खिलाफ हम इस कुंभ से हम वही वार्ता देते हैं। जब देवासुर का संग्राम है तब तो देवलोक से भगवान विष्णु ये वार्ता दिया है कि सनातनी संस्कृति भारतवर्ष में कैसे प्रतिष्ठित करना है।
स्नान किया आप लोगों ने?
हाँ, स्नान किया। अभी
कितने बजे आज स्नान किया?
आज सुबह स्नान किया।
कितने बजे?
सुबह टाइम तो नहीं देखा, पीछे आए
तो
लगभग।
अभी कितने दिन तक यहाँ रहने वाले हैं?
हम लोग 17 तारीख तक यहाँ रहेंगे।
अच्छा,
कल भी स्नान करेंगे।
कल भी स्नान करेंगे।
हाँ।
कल स्नान करेंगे। मुख्य शाही स्नान है कल, पहला स्नान है कल शाही स्नान। तो हम कल का जब तिथि है उस तिथि का बहुत महत्व है, इसलिए हम आगामी कल वो जो शुक्ला तिथि है उसी तिथि में वो संक्रांति मकर संक्रांति का स्नान नहाएंगे हम कल।
So, a sea of devotees have gathered from all over the world out here. For not just enchanting meditation and spiritual fulfillment, but also to experience the unparalleled cultural heritage of Mahakumbh, and this excitement and overwhelming gathering at permanent and temporary ghats including Sangam Nose in the holy city of Prayagraj witnesses to this extraordinary event, and you can see a huge crowd. We are present at the place where all the akhadas are there. So on Posh Purnima, people are taking holy dip in Sangam and beginning their 45-day long spiritual retreat. And this year, the coincidence of Posh Purnima falling on Monday, an auspicious day for worship of Mahadev, made the occasion even more spiritually significant. And devotees of, we can see all devotees chanting Har Har Mahadev, Jai Shri Ram and Jai Bajrang Bali while walking and taking holy dip at among all major ghat including Sangam Nose. Pilgrims from various states like Bihar, Haryana, Bengal, Odisha, Delhi, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, all are participating here in large numbers. People are walking, taking selfies, enjoying the whole era out here along with saints. And as far as the security is concerned, the barricading have also been made here, and this total way have been made only for pedestrian walks. All the Sanatanis devotees from various countries of Europe, including Russia, America, witnessed this great festival of faith and unity and also took holy dip. This is the magic of Mahakumbh, which we are witnessing and continuously showing you in Prayagraj. As far as cleaning is concerned, that is also up to mark. And the world largest spiritual and cultural gathering Mahakumbh 2025 commenced today, that is on Monday, in the sacred city of Prayagraj. Also, we saw on X that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath extended a warm welcome to all devotees, saints, Mahatma and visitors, wishing them well for the first holy dip of Mahakumbh. So these all are the visuals which you are seeing through our lens. The way people are describing Mahakumbh, all saints, visitors, all across the country and world have gathered here. Let me show you the akhadas here. All 13 akhadas which have been divided into different sectors. And now let me show you the cleaning visuals. In order to keep this Kumbh Nagari clean and tidy, people have gathered here and swiping out all the dust. Huge crowd can be seen here. Vibrant energy can also be witnessed here in Kumbh. Also the market areas, if we have a look towards the market areas near Sangam Mela, sellers of puja materials and tilak artists are all busy in attending the swelling crowds of devotees, and retail vendors selling prasad, chunri and diya material mentioned that the influx of pilgrims this year has surpassed even the 2019 Mahakumbh Mela. Let me show you the pictures of vendors. People are actually excited about they are worshipping here the puja from the very beginning. I will try to reach out and talk to people. We are walking on the city and also the path of Mela Kshetra. Let's see what there is. The Rudraksh Mala. See, I was talking about the local vendors out here. They are selling all the puja materials, and tilak artists have also been seen attending crowds of devotees. They are selling all the basic things which people actually need here. So I am just continuously sharing the information that on Posh Purnima, millions of devotees are taking sacred dip at the confluence of Ganga, Jamuna and Saraswati, the banks of Sangam are witnessing unparalleled spiritual, religious devotion making Mahakumbh a transformative experience for visitors from all across the country and the world. So unfortunately, people who are unable to come here, they can see the actual colors of Mahakumbh and Prayagraj Nagari, the actual vibes of Mahakumbh, Prayagraj. So we are walking on roads, the Mela Kshetra, the Mela area, where ample of people, a massive crowd can be seen here, and we can actually feel the vibrant and actual colors of Prayagraj Nagari Mahakumbh, the positive vibe among the people, the positivity among the people out here who all are coming from across every country, each and every from all over the world, in fact even pan-India. People are coming and taking holy dip. So this is the majestic Mahakumbh 2025. And even more transformed in many ways, even more advanced in many ways. This is the digital Kumbh, and also with artificial intelligence technologies, this time people can enjoy the aura here out in Kumbh Nagari Prayagraj. With video journalist Arshad, this is Nikita Sareen signing off for NewsX from Prayagraj.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.